A sewer camera inspection is the easiest and most helpful way to see what is going on inside a sewer system without having to break ground. Sewer camera inspections eliminate the need for pricey plumbing exploration within your sewer lines. A sewer camera inspection can determine if your sewer line needs repair. Sewer line bellies are characterized by a sag or downward bent section of the pipe. Tree root intrusion occurs when tree roots infiltrate plumbing pipes. Tree roots seeking water, heat, and nutrients will grow toward plumbing pipes. One thing that sometimes creates a problem with sewer lines is when they become misaligned. An offset sewer line means that the joints no longer connect properly. Simple clogs can turn into a big mess at the main sewer line. It is important to know what causes clogs in your plumbing system. One of the main reasons a sewer line breaks is the line is clogged. If it hasn't been cleaned for a while, and the line is clogged, it will create pressure which can cause the line to burst. If your sewer is collapsed and there is access to the dirt surrounding the pipe, the dirt will slowly absorb the water and the water recedes. Since the pipe is still collapsed, it will continue to back up. No slope means the waste won't move through the pipe. This will cause drains to move slow and sluggish. Should the wrong type of product be flushed, it will surely cause a backup. A back-pitch sewer is when the main sewer line loses its position or pitch inside the ground. When the sewer line back-pitches, liquid waste will backflow into your home and property. Wondering where that lost piece of jewelry went? If the jewelry hasn't already washed away, a sewer camera inspection may assist in retrieving it. Contact us today for our sewer camera inspection service.